In this video, I want to show you how to do layer stacking in ERDAS Imagine. To start with, layer stacking in ERDAS Imagine refers to the process of combining multiple raster datasets into a single multi-band image. And this technique is commonly used in remote sensing and GIS to analyze and visualize data from different spectral bands, such as those captured by satellite sensors. So let me take you through the practical step of layer stacking in ERDAS Imagine. So to start with, we need to bring in the bands we want to use for layer stacking. To do that, right click on the viewer and click on Open Raster Layer. Then navigate to your folder where you have the bands you want to use. In this exercise, I have Landsat 8 from band 1 to band 11. However, I just want to use band 2 to 7 to demonstrate this. So to do that, just highlight the number of bands you want to use. The number of bands you combine depends on your needs or what you want to use it for. So for demonstration purpose, let's just select band 2 to 7 and click on OK. It has been added. Then we can click on fit to frame so that we can see it properly. So when you add bands individually to ERDAS Imagine, it appears as gray, just like this. So to do the layer stacking, what we need to do is to come here to Raster, then come to Spectral, and here is layer stack. Click on it. It will open this page like this, and ERDAS Imagine, which make it a little bit different from other remote sensing GIS software, is that in layer stacking you need to bring in the bands individually. So to do that, come here under input file, click on this icon to navigate to your folder. Here is my folder. Click on the band, and here you have to bring in the band individually. Click on the first one. We are starting with band 2 and click on OK. Then click on add. You can see it has been added here. Bring the second band. Click here. Click on band 3 and click on OK. Then click on add. It has been added as well. Let's bring the next band. Click here. Click on band 4. Click on OK and click on add. So all the bands that you intended to layer stack, this is how you bring them individually to this interface. Click on add. Now let's bring the last band, which is band 7. Click on OK and click on add. Yes, after you brought in all the bands you want to layer stack, then here output file, just click here and navigate to the folder where you want to save your outputs. So here let's name it as layer stack. Click on OK. Then here click on OK. So the process of layer stacking is ongoing. It will combine all the bands we have selected together to form a single multispectral band. This will take just few seconds to a minute or thereabouts. Yes, it's completed. Then you can now close this page. Then here, come back to home. Let's open another view. Click on add views and click on create new 2D view. So now let's bring in the layer stack we just achieved. To do that, just right click here and click on open raster layer. Then let's navigate to our folder So here is the layer stack we did. Then click on OK. Then come here and click on fit to frame. Yes, you can see our layer stack. So let's adjust this so that, yes, then let's zoom this also to the same level. So you can see this is individual bands in gray color, and you can see the layer stack. And one thing about it is that if you come here, this is the layer stack under second view. Click on this plus sign to expand it. You can see it. You can turn on and off any of these depending on your choice. So in essence, this is how to do layer stacking, combining different bands into a single band layer in ERDAS Imagine. Thank you for watching.